Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. How's your week going? I'm really excited. I'm having 2 weeks off. I need a break. It's gonna be great. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's like a staycation.
You can go design.
Down design?
Or arches.
I was thinking about the arches.
We can just at least drive clean through.
Yeah. Small talk.
Sorry.
Anyway, I got the Unplugged box. It came a little bit later because she was waiting for the new design for the boxes. And I just love it. It's green, unplug and recharge. Share your experiences. I just love it. And it feels pretty heavy. So I'm really excited. So let's get started. Ooh. All right, so this month's theme is doubt. And then this brother card. All right. Oh, okay. Sometimes I wake up and these are in my hair.
What?
It's like I forget that there's some on my bed
I
or
wasn't
something.
looking at the camera, so.
All right, we have a candle. Ooh, Son of Poseidon. Poseidon's Ocean High Tide. It's pretty blue. I can already smell it. It smells like the ocean. I love the smell of the ocean, so this is a really cute candle. I really love it. I'm assuming it's Percy Jackson. Son of Poseidon. Anyway. Then looks like we have a mug. With 4 women? Girls? 4 people? Is that Sabrina?
My gosh! I'm so proud of
I'm
you!
just saying this was a cat. And she's blonde.
Yeah, well, you haven't seen the movies or the show on
I
Netflix.
haven't seen the show on Netflix. It's a cute little mug. Ooh, it's pink. America Senior Strawberry Tarts Honey Butter Bath Co. It's a body butter. I was trying to figure out what it was. Oh, it smells so much like strawberries, hence the name. It smells pretty good. It looks like a thick consistency, which is nice. And then there's also a code that I can use for 10% off their shop to get more if I like it. I'm really excited. Oh, okay. Then we have Raspberry Gelato Daiquiri, Lena's Tuscan Summer. I'm assuming it's something for the bath. Or not. No, it's not. No, it's not.
No, it isn't.
So wrong. You're supposed to add contents to freezer safe container and add 1 bottle of white wine or champagne and freeze overnight. For water, tea, etc. Add a teaspoon at a time until desired flavor. So you can use it to your water as well, which is what I would use it for, because I don't drink alcohol. Oh, I don't think I opened that right. You know, sometimes you try, and sometimes it works. Sometimes it doesn't. I'm gonna get this contents all over my bed is what I'm gonna have, and then I'm gonna have raspberry gelato in my hair.
Which is worse, squigglies or raspberry gelato?
Raspberry gelato.
would smell better.
It smells pretty good. It's like, it kind of reminds me of that kinetic sand. Because it kind of feels that way. But it smells like raspberry. So that's nice. Freshen up my water. I'm trying to drink more water lately. So this will get a little bit of flavor. We'll have to try it. Maybe my new mug. Huh. Alright. Journal prompts to overcome self-doubt. So that's nice. Little note on the back one. And then next month is exploration. Excuse me. Totally burped. An August 2020 sneak peek is going to contain a set of exclusive, colorful bookends that will help you explore new lands from your bookshelves. Not these ones that are pictured. They'll be different, but that'll be cool because I don't have any bookends. So before we get to the lovely book, let's go to the spoiler card. I thought she was laughing at me. So the American Singer inspired lotion is American Singer from the Selection series by Kira Cass. And that's from Honey Butter Bath Co. Love and Gelato Slushy Mix is Lena from Love and Gelato by Jenna Evans Welch. And that's from The Happy Whiner. Percy Jackson Candle. Percy Jackson. Obvi. And that's Chasing a Story. Chilling Adventures of Sabrina mug. And that art was by Abby Malaga art. And then I know what book it is now, but maybe I shouldn't do this spoiler card before. Let's check it out. A lot of people have been talking about this book, so I was interested in it. Now I have it.
Ooh.
I killed Zoe. Is it Spanos? Spanos?
Probably Spanos.
Lovely blue sprayed edges. Can't even do this. Pretty blue there. And then a nice little red on the spine. What happened to Zoe? Won't stay buried.
Oh no.
Oh no. Confession time. So I'm really excited to read this. And of course we have the bookmark. And then a little postcard.
If it wants to focus.
Maybe.
Hello? No, it doesn't.
I haven't really read too many, like, thrillers. I don't know if you would say this is a thriller or mystery-ish type books. So, I'm really excited. Like I said, heard really good things about it. So, let's see. This box was a really good box. I think my favorite is the candle. That would be my favorite. I just love candles. And Percy Jackson and Ocean. You really can't go wrong with those. But yeah. What was your guys' favorite item? Let me know down below in the comments. Have you guys read this book? What were your thoughts? Let me know. And like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Are you just zooming in for fun? I think I need to get someone new to do this. But yeah, we'll see you in my next one. Bye.